Okay, correct. Okay, this is done.
Yes, sir.
So same way you can do for other labs also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will do so.
Okay, keep on sending it. So if
Yes.
anything, then you ask me
Yes, sir.
notes. Today
Yes, sir.
we are going to study. What about Yogesh? Any labs question? Okay, try, huh? Whenever you have time. So keep on sending. So today topic, tell me.
Today's topic. Math.
Okay, you can note down. I will use topics again. Okay, you can note down. So next 2 weeks we are going to cover the topics. So we are now in services, right? So in services, what we
Yes.
finished yesterday?
HCL, DHCP, and domain
DNS,
name service.
DNS,
And
DHCP.
DHCP.
This is finished. Now what is pending now?
NAT.
HSRP,
HSRP.
HSRP, then NAT,
NAT and NTP.
NTP. Okay. These are the 3 labs we are going to do today. Okay, 3 topics.
Okay.
After that, we have tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days. We are going to cover security.
Security.
So what we are going to study in security? First, terminologies. You can write down this. Tomorrow I'll ask you. You can answer that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Terminologies. Second one, threat mitigation techniques. Okay. Right. Threat mitigation techniques. Then what? Or you can say countermeasures. Technique spelling correct. Tech. Spelling correct. What is the spelling?
NICINES.
Correct. Okay. So techniques and what else? And we will study. I'll show you here. Services. This is services. Yeah, security. Techniques. QUES. Okay. APKM. Then 4. We'll study ACL. This is SDN controller. Okay. Then I'll teach you Friday, Thursday. We'll be studying switchboard security. Then we'll see AAA. What else? So device hardening and AAA. Okay. This will be our next 2-day classes. Fine?
Okay.
So, once this is done, then we are going to study what topics?
Management.
First management, last man. Okay. In management, what we'll study?
Management.
why I am giving these topics in beginning itself next to one law, because you can study this in your books, or you can ask me some
Yes.
doubts on this if you have any doubts.
Yes.
Okay, just sitting and coming and sitting in class, finishing the topic and going, you will not become anything.
Just log.
Study,
Yes.
ask me
System.
some doubts. So for that, I
Yes.
am giving the topics.
ICMP.
IPSLA.
Okay, so ICMP.
Then we have device management.
CDP, LLDP.
That comes. We have EFTP.
CDP, LLDP, licensing. SCP.
That's all. That's maintenance. Okay, that's it. Then maintenance.
Password recovery.
Yeah. So then we have password device maintenance. In device maintenance, we have password recovery. Okay. Method. Span. Trace root. Span. Right?
Yes.
Next,
Network programming.
network
Programmability.
Here it is. So these 6 topics I'll cover. Actually, it may be finished in one class also. Depends. Right? One class you can finish it. Then we have 2 classes for WAN.
Okay.
First we will study about basics, like how WAN is in OSI model and physical connection. Then types of WAN connection. Right? The different types are there. Then we'll study protocols like SDLC, TPP. In TPP we have PAP, CHAP, MLPPP, and TPP. So these are all the protocols. Maybe this may we go one class. Then third class we study QoS, VPN,
BGP.
EGRE, and finally we study PG. EBG. Right? So maximum it may finish on next week Wednesday or Thursday max. Understand, no?
Yes.
So this is our plan. So I'll give you day wise also. I will split this. So today we are going to study 19 June. This is 20 June. Day wise I am giving 21 June. This full will be taken in one day, like 25th June and 26th June, 27th June. So 27 I am keeping, one day buffer you keep it, some more here and there. So 28 we can finish. Clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the topics we are going to cover. What are topic left? Right? You want to know anything extra? You want to know any doubts are there? You can actually send me mail, or you can we can discuss. Okay. You
Okay.
have to tell me. So this is the flow we are going to follow. Fine, right?
Yes.
Any doubt? Anything you want to know, add or something? Want to know something? Okay, fine. So let us start. 26, sir. Hmm? Okay, let us start. First, I'm going to teach you what topic today?
HSRP.
HSRP. Okay, let us start. Now, first, I'm going to teach you a topic called HSRP. So that I'm going to tell you one small analogy. Okay, the analogy is like this. You have to know this analogy. Malika Arjun, you know ice cream, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is? Tell me three flavors of ice cream.
Strawberry, blackcurrant, and vanilla.
Okay. Strawberry,
Blackcurrant
blackcurrant,
and
vanilla.
vanilla.
Vanilla. Okay. Then we have chocolate. Chocolate you don't like, huh?
Not that much, sir.
Okay. Strawberry. Okay. So three. Now, if you eat a chocolate, what is it will do for health?
For health.
1 minute. Huh? I take this call.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Hello. Good morning, sir. கிளாஸில் தான் இருக்கேன் சார் சொல்லுங்கள் சார் இல்லை நான் கண்டினியூஸாக 1 hour கிளாஸ் இருக்குது சார் சிசிஎன்ஏ அப்புறம் சிசிஎன்பி வரைக்கும் இருக்குது நீங்கள் என்ன விஷயம் சொல்லுங்கள் சார் ஆமாம் சார் இன்னைக்கு அவர் நேற்று கால் பண்ணார் வாசு கால் பண்ணிவிட்டு இந்த மாதிரி இன்னைக்கு வரல நாளைக்கு வர சொன்னேன் இன்னைக்கு வர சொன்னார் ஸோ இன்னைக்கு நான் 1 மணி போல் அவர் கால் பண்ணிவிட்டு கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்சோடனே போகிறேன் சார் ஆமாம் ஆமாம் எங்கள் பையனே இருக்கார் சார் ஒருத்தர் இருக்கார் அவர் அனுப்பிச்சி விட்டுறேன் அவருக்கு அவர் ஃபோன் நம்பர் கொடுத்துட்றேன் அவரே வந்து டிசைன் கொடுத்துருவாரு அவரே பண்ணி கொண்டு வந்து கொடுத்துருவார் சார் இங்கே தான் இருக்குது ஜேபி நகர் சரி சார் சரி சார் ஓகே சார் பண்ணிடலாம் நீங்கள் அனுப்புங்க சார் நான் மத்தியானம் 1 மணிக்கு அங்கே போயிட்டு உங்களுக்கு கால் பண்ணுறேன் ஓகே சார் தேங்க்யூ சார் ஓகே வாட் இஸ் த ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆஃப் ஐஸ்கிரீம் 3 functions tell me in childhood you used to eat ice cream na
Yes, sir.
what happened after eating ice cream what happened what did you do
Cold.
Ah,
Sometimes we'll get cold.
correct. So first function is cold. Second function is cough.
Cough.
Now you start coughing now.
Yes.
Third function what? Fever.
Fever.
Anything else? Okay. Now whatever flavor you eat, the function is same or different?
Same.
This analogy is clear. Now I am going to
Yes,
teach you one protocol called L2 L3 redundancy protocol. L3 redundancy protocol. Okay. Which protocol is L2 redundancy protocol? Who is L2 redundancy? Which is L2 redundancy protocol? In switch, if we connect two cables, one redundant link, who will protect that loop? Which protocol?
STP.
Yes. L2 redundancy protocol is what?
STP.
Some sound is coming. Can you
Yes,
silence
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, which is L2 redundancy protocol? If you put up one more switch one more link, redundant link, it will create a broadcast storm. It will create a bridging or switching loop. So, which protocol will protect from that loop?
STP.
Yes. Same way here, I want to go to internet. What I am doing? I want to go to internet. So for that I am going to use two service providers. One is Airtel, other one is BSNL. This is Airtel, this is BSNL. Okay. Now Airtel will give his router, correct? Right now Airtel router will come to your office. BSNL will give his router, correct? Okay, let's put like this. Now you are going to configure in your company one switch, and you are going to put a PC. Now this PC has two links. Switch 1, PC 1, R1, R2. Okay, has two links. You have to put one chair. ISP means what? ISP means what? What is
Internet
ISP?
service provider, sir. Internet service provider.
Like example, Airtel, BSNL. Okay. Clear? Yeah, can you put one chair there? You open the window, Yogesh. Open. Open, don't close. Air has to come and go. Just a moment. Keep like this again, if you push. The air will hit the chair will break. Pressure will be more. Now it will go like this, it will not hit it. Okay, so now my IP address is 192.168.10.0/24.1 dot 2, right? Now what will be mine? Like for example, dot 100. Now what is the default gateway you configure here? Mallikarjun, default gateway.
R1, sir. R1.
IP address. IP address.
IP address. 192.168.10.0 slash 20.
0 is IP address, host address. Huh?
Sorry, sir. Dot 1.
Yesterday we studied, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dot
So
1,
there
sir.
are dot 1, network address, host address, broadcast address. So
Yes.
what you configure in interface? Network address, broadcast address. No? What you configure in interfaces? What IP address you configure? Network address, host address, broadcast address. What IP address you configure? Host address.
Host address.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is the full range of this host network address? 192.168.10.0 network address. What is the range?
192 net. Sir,
Host
can you
address.
repeat? Host address, sir. 192.168.10.255, sir. 254/24 for number of hosts, sir. Range.
I didn't understand. What is the range of host addresses?
192.168.10.1/24 to TO2 192.168.10.254/24.
Correct. Total how many address? How many network? How many IPs we can configure in this network?
254, sir.
254 hosts we can number of hosts. Correct now?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear? Now, if for example this is redundancy, right?
Yes, sir.
R1, R2, 2 is there. Now it is going through which interface, which router? As per our topology, it is going
R1.
via R1. For example, R1 fails. What you have to do?
Backup R2.
Yeah, so that is called redundancy. So a protocol which helps you to do redundant in L3 level, not switch level, router level. So that protocol is called what?
HSRP.
No, the protocol is called FHRP.
FHRP.
First hop redundancy protocol.
First one.
Okay. Now this protocol FHRP has 3 flavors. First flavor is HSRP. Second flavor is BRRP. Third flavor is GLBP. So in CCNA level only HSRP is there. I'm going to teach only HSRP, but just I'm telling you the idea. So if someone asks you what is BRRP, GLBP, you have to tell them. Okay? HSRP is a Cisco proprietary protocol developed by Cisco only for Cisco devices. Right?
Yes.
And it sends hello 3 seconds and dead timer 10 seconds. Okay. BRRP is open standard and it is hello is 1 second and dead timer is 10 seconds, right? And GLBP also same HSRP, but the difference between GLBP and HSRP is it is full form will tell you gateway means router, default gateway we are saying na, gateway means what? Router. So gateway load balancing protocol. GLBP means what?
Gateway load balancing protocol.
So it will do load balancing. At a time, it will send one packet in R1, one packet in R2, GLBP. But HSRP, VRRP, what it will do? It will not do the load balancing. Understand this? Able to understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
VRRP, sir.
Virtual router redundancy protocol. HSRP means hot standby routing protocol.
HOP, HOP, sir.
Not hop, hot.
HERT.
HOT.
Hot, okay.
Art.
Hot. You know Ramya?
Yes, sir.
Now you understand. Analogy if you tell, technology will catch first. Okay. So hot standby. So backup is hot. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Always. Correct? No.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Standby means backup. I told you last time also. What is the backup? You know, Stephanie.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Redundancy means what?
Stephanie.
Stephanie. So remember like this. So what happens in Indian rule? Keep is left, wife is right. Okay, remember. Keep.
Left.
Okay. Wife.
Right.
Okay. So this is Indian rule. Foreign rule is different. Keep right. So when you are driving, they'll teach you, right?
Yes,
You know or
sir.
don't know?
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
Okay, so keep left. Now, what I am trying to say is, whenever there is a failure in primary, we call it as here active standby. Now, I am using the terminology of what?
HSRP.
HSRP. Okay. So this terminology is for HSRP only. If you change VRRP, active passive will come. GLBP, AVF will come, AVG will come. Different terminologies are there. So here I am teaching you hot standby routing protocol. So HSRP is what? Hot standby routing protocol. Standby. Right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
it has three functions. Who is having three functions? FHRP. Who is having?
FHRP.
FHRP. FHRP means what? Ice cream. Right?
Yes.
So
Yes,
whichever
sir.
flavor you use. HSRP, VRRP, GLBP. Okay? All are having same function. Understand, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between HSRP and VRRP? Both are same. HSRP is Cisco proprietary, VRRP is open standard. That's it.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between HSRP and GLBP?
Both are Cisco proprietary.
No. Difference. Not same. I'm asking. What is the? I'm asking the not similarity. Difference. HSRP and VRRP, GLBP. What's the difference?
It's a gateway load balancing, sir.
So the difference is, at a time, it will only handle one router. If the primary router fails, it will start working with secondary router. Packet starts sending secondary router, right?
Yes.
Now, if you manage parallelly two routers, both router, for example, Airtel you are paying 1 lakh, BSNL you are paying 1 lakh every month. So you say, whenever Airtel fails, then I use BSNL link. Is it okay for you?
No, sir. Simply we are wasting money.
Wasting money. So what you do, every month you are giving money,
Yes.
but you are not using that, right?
Yes.
It's not good, right? So what you do, you share the load.
Yes.
Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
15 days you stay in one place, 15 days stay in another place.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
So possible, your GLBP possible?
Yes, sir.
You are actually spending money. 50, like you can say like 10 packets are coming, give 5 packets to
Yes.
5 packets to R1,
And
5
5
packets
packets
to
to
R1. Right? Like
R1.
that. That is called what? Load,
GLBP,
load balancing.
load balancing.
So what is the difference between HSRP and GLBP?
HSRP means it will use only one gateway, sir. One link. And
No
other
load
link will be,
balancing, load
there will
balancing.
be, yes, sir.
Simple, sir, Mallikarjun.
Yes, sir.
HSRP, no load balancing.
No load balancing. Yes.
GLBP, balancing is support. Balancing function is available. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Understand, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the first function of FHRP I'm going to teach you? That is virtual IP. What is the second function? Virtual MAC. Third function, interface tracking. These all are the 3 functions I am going to explain you now. So first we saw what is L3 redundancy protocol. Then I told you the protocol and its flavors,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Flavors. So every FHRP protocol has 3 functions: virtual IP, virtual MAC, the interface.
Tracking.
So write down this. I'll tell you one way.
Functions of FHRP, right, sir?
Yes. I mentioned here. Can you see that?
Yes, sir, I can see.
Okay. It's the same thing you follow.
Okay.
Now this is like ice cream. You can use any protocol. FHRP, VRRP, GLBP. These 3 functions will be there.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us start. First, I'm going to teach you what is the first function.
Virtual IP.
Okay. Now I'm going to take one example here. Now I am sending in. Okay. One functions, right? Okay. Now, first function is problems and solutions, or you can say instead of this L3 redundancy, problems and solutions. Okay, now let us understand this. First problem, switching to default gateway. Right? Switching the default gateway. Now for example, you are going in R1 right now. The default gateway is .1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now some reason R1 failed. Now what default gateway you have to change?
R2.
The IP address.
IP address. 192.168.10.2.
Okay. So that IP address you have to change manually. One PC okay. 100 PCs means be difficult to change, right? So now for that, the solution, this is the problem. The solution is virtual IP. Now what I will do, I will create HSRP first function. I will create one virtual IP. Example, I will give .3. In every PC, now I will not give .1, I will give what IP address?
.3.
So dot 3. Now the PC will send where? PC will send to HSRP. HSRP will send to R1. If R1 fails, HSRP will send to R2.
R2.
Understand this?
Yes, sir.
So this is called the first function of HSRP. The second function is problem. I tell you first. The problem is R cache. What do you mean by R cache?
Address resolution protocol.
Okay, now when you create one R table, what is R table?
It will be having source port.
What is R port?
So it will be having MAC address.
Yes. If you give
MAC
IP
address.
address,
It will go and find the MAC address.
find MAC address and update it in the table. So it will be having R IP and
MAC address.
MAC address. You give IP address to the R protocol. R protocol will send the R broadcast and find the MAC address of that same IP address. For
Yes.
example, I am giving dot 3. The MAC address is this 1111.2222. Right. Now it will say, for example, it says 1111. This R table will have a timer, like 300 seconds it will maintain that entry. After 300 seconds that entry will go. Again you need to
Update.
request and get that. Whatever you get is not permanent. That is called a R cache. Now the problem is, the moment the R1 fails, R cache will not change. So the switch will be only sending to this only. For how many seconds? After 300 seconds, again the PC will ask to HSRP, sir, dot 3, what is the MAC address? This time he will give 222. Then it will start sending this side. So now you have to wait for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 307 is how much? Right?
5 minutes.
It's not 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, is it okay for you to wait?
No, sir.
In real time scenario, no internet is 5 minutes. No. So what is the solution for this? Instead of giving physical MAC, create virtual MAC and give to it. Now what he will do, HSRP will create what? For example, 333. So he will not give 2, he will give what? 3. Now switch also will send where? Will send to HSRP. HSRP will send back wherever you want to send. So second problem is what? R cache. What is the solution?
Virtual life MAC.
Virtual MAC. A third problem is, what if only WAN link fails? What if only WAN link fails? Meaning, try to understand here how first FHRP works or HSRP works. Okay, but you need to first understand. Now what it will do, once you configure HSRP, one router will become active router, one will become standby. Once active, it will start sending hello. What will do? Hello packet. So every 3 seconds it will send hello by default. You can change this, right? So every 3 seconds what I am getting? R2 is getting
Hello.
So continuously 10 seconds doesn't get hello. The standby will change to
Active.
active. That's it. This is the way automatically how the standby will, redundancy will automatically come up. Right? Understand this?
Yes, sir.
Now what happens? Only this is failed. means S0 is failed. R1 is sending hello. R1 is sending hello. What happened? Understand this, right? If R1 is totally failed, yes, within 10 seconds R2 will become active. Now R1 is sending hello, but serial is failed. What will you do? Only WAN link is failed. Understand the problem?
Yes, sir.
The solution is start tracking interface. Tracking serial interface or WAN interface, right? Whatever WAN interface. Now I start tracking this. Then I have something called priority value. You remember in STP, like that we have 100 priority by default. Both sides will be 100. The moment the serial interface fails, right, down, right, the priority value will reduce to 90. The moment it becomes 90, who is having highest priority value? They will become active. Understand this? So this is called what? Interface tracking. So this, write down. These are the three functions of HS. That door. You are not properly fixed. You keep the chair there, huh? Don't put the stopper. That stopper don't put the chair. Okay. Understood this? Any doubt?
Yes. No, sir. Okay? Understand this? Yes.
Okay. So we will do this. Okay? Start this. So what is the lab here? It's a survey lab.
40.
It's a very simple lab. You need to configure here only one command. What is the command? Go to the interfaces, your LAN interfaces, give one command. What command will give? Standby 1 IP, virtual IP address. That's it. Both sides will do. One game will become active, one game will become standby. If you shut down this interface, automatically, for example, this is standby means it will become active after 5 minutes. Understand this concept? What you are trying?
Yes, sir.
Now you want to change the priority. This is the command to activate the priority function, right? You need to give this command, activation command. What is the activation command?
Standby 1 priority. Preempt.
That
Okay.
is configure the priority. To activate the priority command, priority to work, you have to enable preemption.
Preemption.
What you have to enable?
Preemption.
So that is the preempt command. Okay. So that's it. I will show you this. We'll start. Okay.
Yes.
So you can draw
Yes,
the
sir.
diagram. The function here is only in LAN side. You remember this.
Yes.
For tomorrow's lab, no?
Yes, sir.
I want you to create 2 labs. I'll give homework to you.
Yes, sir.
Mallikarjun.
Yes, sir.
NAT lab and NTP lab, both you have to create and send to me.
Yes, sir.
At least host name, IP address,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will do it.
routing protocol, pinging.
Yes, sir.
That much you can do.
Yes, sir. I will. Yes, sir. Done with the diagram, sir.
Okay, we'll start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now photograph. Keep it with you. So when I'm telling you can see that photograph. Otherwise you don't understand what is happening. Okay, we'll start. Now I'm going to configure. Today the sound is not there. Okay, lab 1841. 2 routers. Then PC. PC. How many PCs?
2 PCs.
Only 2 PCs, huh?
Yes, sir.
I'm configuring something wrong here. Right or wrong? Okay, I'm doing some other lab. Sorry. PC1, PC2. Correct. Then how many routers?
2 routers.
Two or 2 routers?
2 routers and 2 switch.
2 switch. 3560. Right? Apology.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. What's the IP address? Huh? What is the IP address?
Yes.
PC1.
100.100, sir. Both of them.
What is the IP address?
Dot 100, sir.
Dot 100. I told you 100 is the first number, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the IP address?
I didn't write, sir. Full
Huh?
address.
Open your presentation.
Yes, sir.
Slide number 344.
Yeah.
Ashish. Good morning. He's writing, huh? You are writing? They are maintaining or not?
10.1.2.100, sir. PC2.
PC1, PC IP address. PC2, PC1.
10.1.1.100.
Okay. 10.1.1.100. Give subnet mask.
/4, sir.
Huh?
/24, sir.
24. 255.255.255.0. Okay. Default gateway.
Default gateway.
168. Sorry. 10.10.10.1. R1.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The R1 is not visible. It's going inside. Okay, no problem. So, tell me. Next step. PC2. PC2.
10.1.2.100, sir. PC2. 2.100, sir.
2.100.
Subnet. /24, sir.
24.
250.
Subnet mask default gateway 2.1. 10.1.2.1.
2.1.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to configure the R1. Tell me R1. Tell me.
Router hostname R1.
Interface FA0/0.
Interface 0/0.
Tell.
10.1.1.1. That's
24. Huh?
FA0/1. 10.1.2.
2.1.
Then R2.
Now mention class. Can I give all of your NTP?
She will come. See, that's why I said you have to
He is
understand.
not receiving balloon, that is my issue now.
Huh?
I'm not getting the exact price, no, some fees. Can we use the voucher or not?
Voucher is for corporate where you are giving the class with the voucher. Here we are going for other method. So that method voucher will not help.
But it's written there, no? Parent can.
You can give yeah, but that will not help for her. It is what we are doing here. You understand? Her requirement is what?
Write the exam.
Not she.
Company has to give.
No boss. Who is going to write the exam?
Achha, someone else.
Then how can you give voucher for that? Voucher means you are giving to the student. That's it.
So she will take and she will go and give it to Gangadhar.
She will not do anything. She will, like what Samir is doing. She will not do anything. She will just give the money and you have to get them. That's it. Leave it. We will discuss later. It is recording now. We will discuss later. You are not understanding. Voucher will not help. A voucher is for the corporate training. When you take the training itself, you will give with the trainer, with the training.
Okay.
It is not for next you support them for exam, all these things. That will voucher will not help. I told you voucher, I have people to get voucher. I can give you, but that is not she is asking. She is asking to finish the exam, not voucher. Understand? So you need to find somebody who can take full responsibility. Your job is not only giving voucher and you take your exam yourself. She will not accept that. She wants everything from you only. Understand, no?
Okay.
Single point. Huh?
You talk to Gangadhar and see.
Gangadhar you try or some other person I give, Rizwan I give you try. It's in Electronic City. You need to try multiple places. So see, not only this customer. Continuously, how many customers will take exams? Okay, host name R2. Interface FA0/0. IP address? Yes, sir. Easy.
10.1.2 sir. /24.
2.
1.1.2
1.2.
/24 sir.
Okay. No shut. FA0/0.
FA0/1.
Yeah, 1. Right.
10 dot. Yes sir.
Before telling, I'll finish. Okay.
Yes sir.
Done? Now I'm going to configure HSRP. Now if I ping 10.1.2.100, it will ping or not?
Yes.
Pinging, ah?
Yes. Yes sir.
What is it? What is the route it is taking? 1.1, then 2.100, correct?
Yes.
You understand the trace code?
Yes.
Now, if I shut down the R1, FA0/0, what I have to do here? I have to go to PC1, change the default gateway. PC2 also change the default gateway.
Yes.
PC2 what default gateway I give? R1's, so it will send it to R1 only. Whatever you want to send outside of the network. So it will not send to R2. So both PCs you have to change the default gateway. Then only it will ping. Understand?
Yes.
Now what I am going to do? I am going to configure virtual IP here. First part. 10.3, 1.1.3. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
Virtual IP here. 10.1.1.3. Now, what I am going to do? I am going to go to R1, configure the. What is the command to configure? Tell me. Only one command, right? You have to go to the interface FA0/0. What is the command? Tell me, sir.
Yes sir.
Command.
Command for question I didn't
Masala
get.
dosa. Masala dosa. Command for masala dosa.
Masala dosa. And
What is the command you
Waiting,
give
sir.
with masala dosa? Last 1 hour, what I am teaching?
HSRP.
For that only.
Come on. Interface.
I am in the interface mode only. See that which mode I am.
Yes. Standby 1 IP
Yes.
10.1.1.3.
So standby means HSRP. Standby means HSRP, okay? Standby 1.
Yes, sir.
1 is the group number. You can give any group number. See, there is a group number 45, 4000 group, 4550 for 97, 95 groups you can create. So, standby group
Yes.
number 1, virtual IP. What is the virtual IP?
10.1.1.3.
3, that's it. Same way we have for R2 also.
Yes.
Same way you have to do for R2 also.
R2.
Standby 1 IP 10 dot.
10.1.3.
Okay, that's it. So what is the command to verify? Show standby brief.
Brief.
Right? Now what is saying? What state it is? Unknown state.
It is listening.
Huh?
Listening.
Listening state. Right? Now what state? Speaking state. Still speaking. Speaking. Yeah, now it becomes standby. Now what state?
Stand.
This is R2, right? Let's see R1. So what is the command?
So standby brief.
So standby brief. What state? So understand who is active now?
R1.
Who is active, Malikarjun?
R1, sir. R1.
R1, right? Okay. What I will do, I will shut down R1. What will happen if I shut down R1? Huh? I go to the interface, I stop the hello. What will happen?
Yes.
What will happen if I shut down like this?
Family check will take this question.
After? After?
300.
300
No, sir.
seconds.
After 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
After 10 seconds, it will change the active to 5 minutes you have to wait to go to internet.
No, sir.
If you want to go to internet now, one router fails means BSNL fails means 5 minutes you will not have internet connection. Huh? They'll agree.
No.
So shut down. So let's see. R2. Just try.
Hello, sir. I'm not able. Hello, sir.
What happened?
Screen is blur, sir.
Screen is blurred. Now
No, sir. It's same, sir. Blur.
you disconnect and connect.
Yes, sir.
Understand now what is HSRP? Now you can actually enable preemption. The command is here, enable preemption, and the priority value you can change manually also. If you put interface tracking command, when the interface goes down also, it will change automatically. Decrement will happen. So manually also you can change the priority value. By default 100. Manually I'll show you. You can do
So that will take 5 minutes.
which one sir?
If the serial goes, just
Only 5 minutes.
300 seconds.
R cache.
That's an
MAC
hour.
address that you want to see. So now you go and see here. Show ARP. Sorry, ARP minus here. No increase. Pin 192.168.1.37.
Render.
Now see that. This is the virtual. This is virtual. So 1.1.3 is not physical interface, right? Physical IP, right? Where interface is given. Which interface packet is given. So Cisco bought reserved for HSRP. This is the reserved address range. So in the presentation, if you see, you'll have a command here. It's not mentioned here. It's mentioned here. With this range, it is getting. So what is the problem? What is the solution? Second problem. What is the solution? Third problem. What is the solution? What will happen if interface goes down? So decrement 10%. Okay, clear on this? Okay, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, so tomorrow I want you to do Malikarjun
Yes, sir.
for NAT and
NTP.
NTP
Topology.
slide number 349.
Yes, sir.
You prepare and you have to be able to ping from PC1 to loopback 0, PC2 to loopback 1.
Yes, sir.
That is write down. 3 labs you have to create in this. In this, how many labs you have to create?
3 apps.
One lab you create, copy paste the file. That's it. Change
Yes,
the file.
sir. Yes, sir.
One lab, pull one lab, NAT one lab.
Yes.
Next, NTP lab. This is the topology.
Yes.
So, which one you take server? If you go to the system, your PC, you will have in PC we have a server, generic server.
Yes. Yes.
In this server, you can see all the services.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so one by one
Yes.
service. But now, this is latest one. They added IoT also. In your IoT will be not there. Your SysPoint, you are using SysPoint, right? I upgraded to 7.1.1. So this is latest. Okay. So this will be having IoT, all these things they given.
Okay, sir.
Onwards I'll be using 1.1. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow we will continue with today what we finished.
HSRP.
Tomorrow we'll start class 9 o'clock only. So we'll
Yes,
have
sir.
time to do NAT,
NTP.
NTP, then service security will start.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we'll do this all this activity. Okay? So
Yes, sir.
see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Okay, sir. Bye. Thank you.